Today, I'm going to show you how to make glue at home using simple ingredients. It's quick, safe, and fun. Pour flour, sugar, baking soda, water, and vinegar all together into a saucepan. Whisk well to remove any lumps. Heat it on medium flame, stirring constantly. Once it thickens to a glue-like consistency, turn off the heat and let it cool. And that's it. Your homemade glue is ready. You can store it in an airtight container for up to a week in the fridge. Just give it a stir before each use. So, let's make DIY with our homemade glue. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.